This is the video guide that will help you to get rid of the ransomware which is called Bozewerkers. Bozewerkers. This is the ransomware that affects many Windows computers these days. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting it. I'll just show you the damage that can be caused by this ransomware. Before the ransomware attack, users are able to open their files without any complications. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data can be opened easily without any troubles at all. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular ransomware may be easily injected into the device. And after this ransomware penetrates into the computer, it modifies the file names. It actually appends this special givemenitro extension to the file names. It's not possible to use the files anymore. Then the ransomware tells its victims that they should pay a special ransom for file recovery. However, of course, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. You may just lose your money without getting your data recovered. So do not pay the ransom. Do not waste the money. What we recommend you to do is immediately research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install the software, and start researching the system with its help. You can also see that the ransomware also changes the desktop background and reveals this ransom note mentioning that your PC has been encrypted by Team Bozewerkers. Anyway, don't pay the ransom. This is the way Combo Cleaner looks like. It is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the program would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Combo Cleaner is provided with anti-ransomware feature, which allows you to add one or even several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature does not decrypt files. It only helps to remove this ransomware and to protect your files from being damaged in the future. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know the information about threats and their locations. We recommend that you upgrade to Premium as the best solution to keep your files always protected in the future.